This mountain ecosystem has a lynx, a snowshoe hare, and a barred owl. The owl is looking for food, but it must also stay safe from bigger, hungry animals. Here's your mission. Help the owl eat the hare. Tap the lynx to move it. The lynx moved away, so the other animals now feel safe. Try moving the hare. The hare hopped over to get some food. Now move the owl. You did it! You helped the owl eat the hare. Here are your points. Ready to try more puzzles? Tap next for another mission, or all to choose a different one. Here's your mission. Help the prawns hide their babies from larger, hungry animals. Uh-oh, the animals didn't get what they needed. Try again. Here's your mission. Help the prawns hide their babies from larger, hungry animals. Great job! You helped the animals get what they needed. Here are your points. Here's your mission. Help the hornbill get to his nest. Great job! You helped the animal get what it needed. Here are your points. Here's your mission. Help the gecko eat the grasshopper. Great job! You helped the animal get what it needed. Here are your points. Here's your mission. Help the elk safely get a drink of water. Great job! You helped the animal get what it needed. Here are your points. Here's your mission. Help the Coatimundi eat the crocodile eggs. Uh-oh, the animal didn't get what it needed. Try again. Here's your mission. Help the Coatimundi eat the crocodile eggs. The crocodile... Great job! You helped the animal get what it needed. Here are your points. Here's your mission. Help the Death Adder snake eat the thorny devil. The Death Adder hides until something it eats is nearby. What do you think this snake eats? The thorny devil. Great job! You helped the animal get what it needed. Here are your points. Here's your mission. Tap animals and plants to help the orchid flowers get enough sunlight to grow. The pond. Great job! You helped the plant get what it needed. Here are your points. Here's your mission. Help the prawns hide their baby. Great job! You helped the animals get what they needed. Here are your points. Here's your mission. Help the hornbill get to his nest. The